Hello, my name is Troy Epperson, and this is my website, oneononetrading.com. I've been doing trading and educating for many, many years, and if you're that guy that are almost break even, you're break even, you can't quite get over the line into profitability, maybe you could use a couple of hours of coaching that will really help maybe focus you and get you on your path to success. If so, please check out my website, oneononetrading.com, and I hope you enjoy the morning brief. Good morning and welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, February 7th. Remember that all trading involves risk. You should never trade with risking more than you can afford to lose. Taking a look at the news for today from forexfactory.com, you can see that we had some 8:30 news that were yellow, which is a low impact expected or low impact item. Trade balance was better than expected, but by $0.1 billion. Not a big deal there. News the rest of the day is pretty benign. We do have Federal Chair Powell speaking at 12:40 p.m. Now, I tend to get out 5 minutes before or maybe even 10 minutes before because he can move the markets. We also have a Bank of Canada, Governor Malcolm McCallum speaking at 12:30. Those are the only red items we've got today, so relatively benign day. Just Fed Chair Powell speaking at 12:40. Looking at the daily chart. The daily chart, we continue to do this chop, backfill, chop. This is indicative of a bull market. It's when you get this move, 3 days up, 2 days back, 3 days up, 2 days back. That sort of action, backfilling, very common. That being said, if we do scrunch this down and look at the bigger picture, we are still in a downtrend and have been, if we make it even smaller, have been for a long time. All the way back, we peaked out in December of 2021. So the question has, did we break that high right there? So yes, we broke that high right there. That was on the radar, but we were unable to hold it. So that becomes a major resistance spot. And you can see that it had trouble getting it. It couldn't get through this one over here either. So technically we have a higher high, but we'll just have to see how this plays out. So if we look at the volume profile here to give us some ideas of where support and resistance are, you can see that we start getting a really deep cut here at 42.86. That's a long way up. Not really in danger anytime soon. The high we put in just a few days ago was very, very close to 42.31, which is probably it's on the radar as well. But I would say that realistically, this high volume node at 41.86 is probably the top side. The bottom side, we've got a low volume node right there. That's 40.51. I think we could easily get to 40.51 if they get some downside momentum. But that would be the two numbers I'd really be watching. Would be that 40.51 and that I think it was 41.82. Yeah. Let's take a look at inventory. Inventory is supposed to give us an idea of the markets are acting like they should. So we had a down day and we had down inventory. So that's correlated. Same with the previous day. Down day, down inventory. That was on Friday, Monday. Today is Tuesday. We are slightly down today and we are slightly negative on. So when these are correlated, there's nothing to talk about other than that it's telling us that the markets are acting as they should. Okay, moving to the intraday, moving to a 7-minute chart. Intraday, you can see that there's the high, overnight high, 41.36, overnight low, 41.12. That's actually, that's an average, very, very average to small range for overnight. We really have to go and look above the overnight high to get some confluence. 4140, and I would be looking at 4155. Those are the two areas, plus the overnight high, 4136. So three numbers on the top side. On the bottom side, obviously the overnight low, 4112, but 4108 and 41. I really like that 4103 area, but it is so close to 4100. It's sort of a zone there. And if we break 4100, we could easily see 4090 here, right in here. Those would be my intraday numbers. Let's take a look at the Stock Traders Almanac for today. Is a 47.6% chance the market will be up, which is a negative bias of about 2.4%. So that is the negative bias for today, February 7th, 47.6. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Happy trading.